Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to talk about how to fix Minecraft launcher or Minecraft Java edition is having an error code or it is not launching error code 107374071 on a PC. So let's get started. So the first one, we need to download the Minecraft or even the Java edition or the Bedrock edition. Both should be downloaded not from the Xbox. You have to download it from the alternative site. So what you need to do is just go over here. So this is actually, I'll be providing this in the video description. So this is actually the site. So now from here you can download from this alternative. You can download according to your PC's configuration. If you're on Windows 10 or 11, you can download it from here. Or if you're on the Windows any other thing, you can download it from here as well. So this is actually an alternative. So you can do the same for the Bedrock edition as well. And if you're on the Java edition, you can do the same. You can download it from here. That's what we have to do. Next one, you have to follow the instruction. And the first one is all about, we have to start with, you have to do a restart if you're having the trouble. So start with the restart as well. You can try a simple restart. Just go over here in the start icon. Now from here, go over here and do a restart. Once the restart is done, you have to check. And if you're having the issue, we need to move to the next step. Next step, we need to try updating the graphics card. So I'll be providing a link in the description to the graphics card. So this is also third step where you need to update your graphics card. So if you're on the NVIDIA, just go to this page or the link, which I'll be providing in the video description, which you don't have to worry. So just go over here and you have to go to this particular page and select everything. For example, if you're, as you can see, this is GeForce. So I have to select GeForce. And if you're on the GeForce 16 series, I have to select 16 series. And if you're on the GeForce GTX 1650, we have to select it based on your PC's configuration. And if you're on the Windows 11, select this one. And if you're on the English, go over here and you need to find it. So right now, once you go over here, you will be able to get another page where from here you can download the Windows 11. Based on your PC's configuration, you can download these Java versions for the NVIDIA users. The users on the AMD, just go to this page. And from here, you have to download it according to your PC's configuration as well. So based on your PC's configuration, just go over here. Or if the system is based on Windows 11, you can download this one. If the system is based on Windows 10, you can try downloading this one. Even after trying this tree, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to run a few gaming services. So we need to run the gaming services. So in order to run the gaming service, what you need to do is just go over here. I'll be showing you what you need to do. So just go over here at the top with your profile icon. Just click on this one. Go to support. Go over here. And from here, click on gaming service repair tool. Go for start repairing. So go for yes. Now, like I said, this is going to take a lot of time. It's going to cross-check every single thing. As you can see, you'll be getting a check mark over here for the system diagnosis, for the game bar, for the Xbox identity provider, for the Xbox Live in gaming services, for the Xbox Live Auth Manager, and even for the gaming runtime services. It will be given for everything. Over here, as you can see, it is done up and running and you're fine with it. So instead of going this, also you can directly navigate to the over here if you are having this particular link. I'll be copying this link. What you can do is just go over here in the, apart from this, you can directly go to the link. So over here, if you go to the link, this is actually for the Xbox, for the gaming service repair tool. I'll be providing this in the video description. So instead of going to the Xbox, you can also directly go over here. Now from here, scroll down and navigate to downloadable version. So if you scroll down, you can see that is download the gaming service repair tool. So just click on this one. Now, once it is done, just open this. You can just go over here and open this once again. Now from here, you have to go over here, Google yes. And now it is going to take a little bit of time. So what happens is this is going to run the services and all. So once it's successfully done, you can just go for X and you can directly close it afterwards. This is also actually this is also kind of gaming service repair tool. So once afterwards, you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go for the verify and repair the launcher. So right now, as you can see, I'm on the Xbox app. So just go over here in the launcher. Now from here in the launcher, right click and you have to go to the manage, or you can directly go over here and click on the three-dot menu, click on this one. go to the manage, and you can go to the files, and you will be having an option for the verify repair game file. So just click on the verify repair game file that will be taking place in between. Once afterwards, try launch the game. Next one is all about what we need to do. We just need to create a desktop shortcut, and we have to launch the Minecraft as an administrator. So that is also possible from here. Just go over here on the three-dot menu once again, go to the manage. That is an option called create desktop shortcut. So once the desktop shortcut is created, and if you go over here, you'll be able to find it. So this is the shortcut. So right click over here, go over here into show more options. You can just go over here, right click, and you have to go over here in the show more options, go to the properties, go to the over here. You can run it as an administrator as well. That is also in most cases will be working. Or you can directly go over here, and also you can directly go for the launcher from here, or you can just click on run as an administrator. So once you run the game as an administrator, you can go back and you have to check whether the issue is solved or not. Still, there is an issue. We have to move to the next one. That is all about we need to delete the Microsoft Store local cache. So I'll be providing this particular path in the video description. So what I need to do is, let me go over here. So the first one, we need to go to C users, username, AppData. So let me go over here, go to this PC, go to local disk C, go to users. Now from here, user account. And from here, we need to find the AppData, open the AppData. I think now from here, we need to go to local packages and Microsoft. Go to local. Now from here, we have to navigate to packages. Scroll down. Go to the packages. And from here, I think it is representing, we need to go to Windows Store 8 key Microsoft. We need to find the Microsoft over here. And in this particular folder, we need to find this particular path, that is Microsoft.Windows Store 8W. So Microsoft Store, Windows over here, we'll be able to find it. Microsoft Windows Store. So it is Microsoft Windows. Keep scrolling down. So this is the folder. So right click, and we have to delete this. So this is very important. You have to delete the respective one. Once the delete is successfully done, you have to check, but they are still getting the error with error code 107374071 on your PC. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to run a few commands in the PowerShell. So I'll be providing these commands. That is this particular commands, which I'll be providing in the video description, so you don't have to worry. So let me copy this particular command. Now what I need to do is I just need to go over here, type for PowerShell, and you have to click on this one, go for run as an administrator, go for yes. Now I have to paste this, press enter. So as you can see, it is going through the collection. So it is gonna take a little bit of time. So we need to wait for this to get completely done. This particular process is going to take a little bit of time, so we need to wait this because everything should be completely done. So it is going to take much time. So we need to wait for everything to be completely done. And also one more thing, it is going to take a bit of time. So what I'll do is I'll skip this up, let this get completed, we will move to the another step. So let me move to the next step. The next step is all about, even after trying with this one, we need to go over here in the settings. Now go over here in the settings, so only have to search for the settings. So we may do one thing before that. The PowerShell is completely done and it is all done. Right now, if we check over here, you can see the Microsoft is still available. And also it is showing a message like, this is going to take a little bit of time. So actually we need to wait unless this get completely done. But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to skip this up. In the sense, I'm going to minimize this and we'll move to the next step. So just go over here. We need to go to settings. Just go over here in the settings. Now from here, we have to go to accounts. Go to accounts. And from here, what we need to do is just keep scroll down. And over here you can see we have options such as, sign in option. We'll be having an option called sign in option. Select this one. And from here, you have to scroll down. Make sure you use my sign in for automatically finish setting up app after an update. Should be turn it off. Once afterwards, just go back and check. Still, if you are having the trouble with this one, meantime, we have to check this. If it is completely done, we are fine with it. We can move to the next step. That is after cross-checking the still, if there is an issue, we have to run a few commands in the CMD. So these commands, we have to take from these commands, we need to copy, and let me copy this command. And we have to go over here, search for CMD, go for an as an administrator, go for yes. So right now, the first one, I need to run ipconfig flushdns. So let me copy this one. And we have to paste it, press enter. Make sure I have to go for ipconfig release. Have to paste it, press enter. Make sure I have to go for IP renew, config renew. So copy this and I have to paste it, press enter. Once everything is done, just close this and we have to check still if there is an issue. Also, you need to download the Microsoft. You can also try downloading the Try Legacy version of Microsoft Launcher. So I'll be providing that description. So if you check, this is actually for the legacy versions. So you can try downloading this one. As you can see, if you go to this page, if you scroll down, we can try downloading this one for the first. If that's not working, you can just go over here and try download Windows Legacy Launcher for your Windows 11. And you can check. Still, if there is an issue, let's move to the next step. Next step is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to delete the content of TokenBroker folder. So let me copy this particular path. These things will be provided in the video description, so you don't have to worry. Just go over here in the File Explorer, go to this PC, and you have to paste it and press enter. Now you'll be getting this particular folder if it's there, and you have to delete it. That's what you have to do. Just delete this particular folder. That's very important. You have to delete the TokenBroker. And most probably after the TokenBroker is completely deleted, and you can check with your Minecraft account, or you can try downloading the Minecraft from the Xbox, and you have to check the issue, solve it or not. Still, if you're having the trouble with this one, we need to move to the next one. That is all about we need to repair and reset the Xbox app and the Microsoft Store. So just go over here in the settings and just go to the settings over here. Now from here in the settings, what we need to do is just go over here in the apps. And from here, go to installed apps. Now from here, you can search for the Xbox. If you wanted to, you can search for the Xbox. If you wanted the Microsoft Store, you can search for the Microsoft Store. So let's go over here. I can go to the advanced option. Now from here, there is an option to reset, repair and reset. First go for repair. Once the repair is done, we can just go for reset. And once it is also done, we have to do the same for the Microsoft Store as well. So just search for the store over here as well. You have to search for the store, and you can search for the store at the top. You can search for the store at the top. And you can also do for the store as well. Once both the repair and reset for the store is also done, you are fine with it, you can check. Still, if there is an issue, we need to run the W reset. So just go over here and type W S reset, and you have to open this. Now the Microsoft Store will be opened over here. Now you need to search for the Minecraft and you have to try downloading it. That's what you have to do. And in the between, stay if there is an issue with the Minecraft, with the error code, stay we have few more steps that can be done. That is, we need to close the launcher. First, we need to close the launcher if you're in the launcher. Then you need to open the Microsoft Store. And what you need to do is you need to log in with the same account. So just go over here. And from here, as you can see, I have signed in with the TechFix Foundry. So I have to sign in with the same account on the both store and the launcher. So if I go over here, make sure that the launcher is logged in with this credential. And if I go to the store, as you can see, this is not the same. So what I need to do is I just need to go over here to sign out, and I need to sign in back with the same account. So make sure both the store and in the Xbox what you're using, please you're signing with the same account. That is very important. And once afterwards, you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, you need to make sure the date, time, and region is correct. So just go over here, search for the settings, and you have to click over here. Go to the time and language. Go over here in the date and time. Make sure the time is correct. So you have to make sure this is turned on, this is turned on. And also the language and region, you have to select according to your PC's configuration, and you have to select the country according to your PC's configuration or based on your geo. So once afterwards, you have to check. See if there is an issue. We have to move to the next one, that we need to run the gaming service and Xbox identity provider is installed or not. So just go over here. So we just need to go over here and you have to make sure one thing. So you have to go on this particular page, which I'll be providing a link in the description. You can just copy this and you can download the Xbox identity provider. So this one, we can download this one. And also you can open this on the Microsoft Store and you have to install this Xbox identity provider is already installed. You have to try installing this. And the next one, you need to uninstall and reinstall the gaming services using the PowerShell. So after cross-checking this, if you're having the trouble, we need to uninstall and reinstall. So in order to uninstall and reinstall, we need to copy this particular page. Sorry, this one. So I'll be providing this one in the video description. So just copy this particular command. Okay. So this is actually we are uninstalling the gaming services. So just go over here in the PowerShell. So just search for the PowerShell and go for an as an administrator. Now go for yes. Now from here we have to paste this particular one. So just paste this command and press enter. So this is actually uninstalling the PowerShell. Sorry, not the PowerShell, the gaming service. Now we need to give another command in order to install it back. So just copy this. These things will be in the video description, so you don't have to worry. So just copy this and you have to paste it. And once it is successfully pasted, you have to paste it and you have to press enter. Let me press this. Okay, so uninstall it, it's successfully done. And now afterwards, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. We need to paste a new command and we have to check and try installing it back with this particular command. So I'll be copying this. Okay, so let me press this, paste this, and press enter. So that is going to take you to the Microsoft Store. And now, as you can see, when I paste these commands to the PowerShell, the first command that uninstalled the gaming service. And now I'm going to paste another command which is going to make it install it. So I have to click on the get, which means I have to download this gaming service on my PC. Afterwards, I have to check with my Minecraft whether I'm going to be able to play or I'm going through any kind of issue. If you're having still issue with the Xbox app over here, what we need to do is we just need to make sure one thing, what we need to be getting an update also. We have to finish this particular update as well. So over here, after trying with this, still if there is an issue, what we need to do is we just need to do one thing, that we just need to uninstall the Minecraft launcher and we have to restart the PC and we have to reinstall it back. So that is also fine. That can also be done. So meanwhile, let me complete this particular launching the Xbox app. This is going through an update. So which is gonna take a bunch of time. So I'll be showing you what you have to do next. After try uninstalling the Minecraft, then you restart your PC and try to install it back. It might work, may not work, but I recommend you one more thing, that instead of downloading it from the store, you have to download the Minecraft from the website. So I'll be providing the video description, link in the description. So just go to this link. So first try downloading the launcher for the Windows 10 or 11 based on your PC's configuration. So afterwards, you can still, if you're having the trouble, you can also try downloading the legacy launcher. Most probably this will be working. Not the legacy launcher. Try downloading this particular one. For what I'm recommending you is you can try downloading for Windows 7 or 8, or you can try installing it. That's also worked for many users as well. Next one, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. After you try with this, still if you're having the trouble, we can, what we need to do is you can try downloading, and if it's not working like you'd imagine, if it's still going through any kind of issue, we need to do a few things. That is all about when you create a new local account, you have to check. If that is not working, that is also not working, what we need to do is we just need to move to the next step. That is all about nothing but what we need to do is we just need to use or update the Windows using the media creation tool. So I'll be providing in the description both the Windows 10, the media tool for both Windows 10 installation media. And also you can download this one for the 10 as well as for the 11. So the users on the 10 can use this download button and you can download and install. The users on the Windows 11, go over here, try downloading and install. So most probably after trying with these, the issue regarding all these kind of things regarding, like I said, the Minecraft issues, the error code 1073740791 will be completely fixed. So you can try play the game from here afterwards, and most probably that's going to work in most cases. And if you find this really helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more of these kind of videos. See you soon on the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.